All right, 18, All Terrain Cleaning Solutions, LLC. Just the post clean right here. Look at that. We had spider webs and dirt all around it. Got the patio clean, looking really, really nice. Look at this. The roof was all cleaned and the debris all treated, so it's sparkling now. Did the roof soft wash, did the gutters up top. We got video footage of that. We're now making our way down. Just want to walk the perimeter really quick. And trying to give you a view right there. If you're thinking about getting your home, your business, your property, getting it all spiffed up and clean, the only one that you would want to call is All Terrain. 916-549-5255. You know the slogan for the Supreme Clean. You gotta make that phone number ring. Go ahead and walk with me here. I'm kind of making my way down the ladder. I got a bucket in one hand, so let me get down here really quick. All right, and turn around. You see those gutters all spiffy and clean now, like it should be. They were full to the brim with debris from that big tree right there. All right, so now we're just making our way down. We're gonna wrench off really quick, and then we're gonna go ahead and clean this area. We're gonna get to clean this. So let's walk the perimeter here. So as you see right here, everything, if you remember, all under here, we had big time spider webs, everything, dirt. Okay, you had the mud cadavers where the bees and wasps make their nests. All right, so look at that, nice and sparkling here, very, very clean. All right, I'm just kind of walking this way around here because I need to go. I need to put this right here. But if we just kind of walk the perimeter just for my after photos, look all up there. I'm trying to give you a visual of it. I'll kind of see so you can take a look from right there. Look at it. I mean, it looks like, it's only a 5-year-old building. So if you look up top right there, we did all that as well. Look at it, sparkling. Okay, let's go ahead and walk through here. Come around here. Remember, there was big time spider webs all up under these rafters here. And these I did this as a pro bono because it's a big ticket here. So I threw that in. And some people probably say, well, why'd you do that? You hurt yourself. But this is a lot of square footage right here, cleaning those rafters right there. It's about a 5,400 square foot building. But then with those rafters right there, it's probably like literally 7,000, 8,000 square feet. It's huge. All right. So, and they have it on the top floor too. Maybe it'd be closer to, I wouldn't be surprised if it's like 9,000 to 10,000 square feet. All right. You see all up in there. I don't know if you guys remember that. I don't know if I got that, but yeah, it was spider webs, cobwebs, everything everywhere. So remember here, we started within here and we did this area here, right? At the Center for Land-Based Learning, right? And they do farming, and it's like 32 acres right here. It's nice, very nice. And they do organic food and help people who may be on fixed or low income. So yeah, this is the clean right here. This is the clean right here. We did all that right there. I'm gonna show you all that here in just a second. Let me put this in the back of the truck. So I make my way back over here. Okay, let's get to it. So as we see here, remember, look at that all the way up there. Everything looking nice and spiffy, just like it when it was first built. All right. So the director, he told me he's really pleased. And again, like I said, I have a attention for detail, man. I've been, really like putting it down. So when you call All Terrain Cleaning Solutions, nothing against any technicians. Everyone has to do a job, but I'm the owner, so I put everything into it. You know what I mean? This is my reputation. And if you remember all back here, it had spider webs galore. There might still be some little ones docked in here and there. They might have to take a brush or whatever the case and go to town with it. But yeah, that's the clean. I threw this in as well. I cleaned this up right here for them as well. All right. So there it is. There you have it right there. All right. I'm going to go ahead and sign off. So again, for the Supreme Clean, make that phone number ring. Visit us at allterrain.com. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day. Bye now.